was a long time coming, but plain to see. When I held his shaking hand, he couldn't look at me. He said something about losing the will to go on. He looked off into the distance. I knew his mind had gone. He lights a candle. It has a soft kind of glow. He's scared of the dark, but he won't let nobody know. 'Cause when the midnight demons are creeping through the night, he knows they'll get to him when he's run out of fight. Was he trying to get it right that made it wrong? Or was it just a road that went on way too long? Too long, too long, too long. He searches for words, but the words disappear. He talks so quietly, you move closer to hear. He's looking for answers, but you don't know what to say. Just help him through the night into another day. He's falling over the edge of the abyss, holding on and reaching out and hoping he won't miss. I say grab a hold of something, something beautiful and true. Someday the world is gonna smile for you. Was he trying to get it right that made it wrong? Or was it just a road that went on way too long? Too long.